Hello and welcome. Today we continue our journey to quiet the mind by turning our attention inward to our body. It can be difficult to calm your mind if your body is tense and stressed. In this meditation, we'll gently calm our body to clear the path for a calm mind. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. Let's begin. Settle yourself into a comfortable position. For this meditation, lying down can be especially helpful, but whatever feels right for you is perfect. Allow your hands and feet to fall naturally as they may, and gently close your eyes when you are ready. We'll begin by taking 3 deep, intentional breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of any tension you're holding. Breathe in again, filling your lungs completely, and release it all the way out. One more time, breathe in calm, and breathe out anything you're ready to let go of. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm without any need to control it. Let's move into a deep body relaxation. Gently bring your awareness to your feet. Simply notice how they feel right now and the sensation of them resting on the support beneath you. Feel their weight as they rest comfortably. With your next inhale, imagine a gentle wave of warmth flowing down to your feet. And as you exhale, allow any tension held there to simply melt away. Now let your awareness float slowly upward to your ankles and lower legs. Notice the muscle in your calves and shins. Let them soften, and with each breath, release any tension you find there. Continue to scan upward past your knees and into your thighs. Feel the heaviness of your legs as they are completely supported. Breathe into this area with a soft exhale. Let your thighs and hips sink deeper into the surface beneath you. Feel your legs with a sense of gratitude for all they've done for you today, and gently let them melt into comfort and relaxation. Move your awareness to your lower back, your source of stability and grounding. Breathe into this area and release any tightness. Feel a warm energy begin to generate here and let it move through to your abdomen. Inhale a gentle wave of warmth, and as you exhale, release any tension you are holding it here. Let it all relax and melt into the surface beneath you. Now bring your attention to your chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall with each breath. With each exhale, allow your chest to soften, releasing any feelings of pressure or tightness. Imagine your breath moving freely, expanding and contracting with ease. From your chest, Let that sensation of warmth flow down your arms all the way to your fingertips. Feel your hands, often so busy and active, now completely at rest. Notice the palms, the backs of your hands, and each individual finger. Imagine the last remnants of tension dripping out of your fingertips like water from a faucet, leaving your hands and arms feeling heavy, soft, and completely relaxed. Gently guide your awareness up to your shoulders and neck, an area that often holds a lot of stress. Without judgment, simply notice how they feel. On your next exhale, let your shoulders drop away from your ears, releasing any unnecessary burden you might be carrying. Picture the muscles in your neck softening one by one. With each breath, feel the tension dissolving, leaving your neck feeling long and your shoulders feeling relaxed and free. Finally, bring your awareness to your face and head. Let go of any furrowing in your brow. Allow your jaw to unclench and your tongue to rest comfortably in your mouth. Soften the muscles around your eyes and let your eyelids feel heavy and relax. Imagine a gentle, cool breeze washing over your face, smoothing out any remaining worry. Let a gentle smile grace your lips. Feel the weight of your head sinking into the surface beneath you, completely supported. Take a moment to notice the feeling of your entire body, from your head to your toes, completely relaxed, and rest in this deep calm for a little bit. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and begin to bring your awareness back. Take a soft breath in, and on your exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of calm with you for the rest of the day. Save this meditation and come back anytime you need to relax your body. A calm body helps create space for a calm mind. Subscribe to 3 Leaves. I have a new meditation for you each week. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, be well.